airport. A couple more legs to go. Let's see how far I can get today, but it has been a little rough. And not too bad, but it's been interesting. So let me show you this airport a little bit. So everybody, putting it up for the night. Here I am in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Day one of the flight back done. So I'll catch you. Well, that was some great food. All right, let's call it a night. Part 2 of this adventure, let's just call it that. I'm waiting for my ride, heading out to the airport here in Bartlesville. And because of the wind that's going to be coming through on Sunday, I'm going to have to, about the farthest I can get is Dalhart, Texas. So we're going to get to Dalhart, hang out Sunday, and then try and make it home Monday. So let's get going. Well, still waiting on weather. As you can tell, we got an overcast layer at about 400 feet, so makes it a little hard to get out. So I'm hoping it should burn off in about the next hour and I can make my way to Dalhart, Texas today. So here's hoping. So everybody, still waiting for the fog to clear. If you can tell, it's pretty bad. So hopefully I can get out here in the next hour and make my way towards Dalhart. Well, the weather is getting a little better. Got a couple of holes up here. I don't know if you can see them in the camera or not, but got a couple of holes. So maybe in about another hour, be able to get out of here. I've been waiting around since about 8 this morning, and it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so got to be patient, but I want to make sure that I'm safe and get back to my family. So maybe, just maybe, I'll get out of here today.
Bartlesville, Frank Phillips Airport. Automated weather observation 1825 Zulu. Wind variable at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 1000. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 19 Celsius. Altimeter 2991. Remarks: density altitude 1900.
Bartlesville traffic, experimental 8 Lima November is back taxiing for departure on runway 35 Bartlesville. Bartlesville traffic, experimental 8 Lima November is departing runway 35 Bartlesville. Alright everybody, got my flight following, just climbing up to 4,500, and we're heading to Woodard, Oklahoma. Just kind of the best spot overall, get some distance, get some time, and make my way towards Dalhart by the end of the day. So hopefully I'll show you guys some cool images as we go out there. Alright, so a lot of people out there that fly like I do, they tend to try and stay away from flight following and things like that. I don't understand why. What I love about flight following is I can be up in the air like I was yesterday. I saw a cloud layer in front of me on the way to Bartlesville. Anyways, I was able to call ahead, talk to center, get pilot reports, and know how far out that layer went. Anyways, what was nice about that is I could plan out and know exactly what was ahead of me the whole flight. So I do like flight following. Sometimes it's a little annoying with everybody trying to get in there, but you get the idea. I enjoy being on flight following. It gives you a lot of safety. Alright everybody, so I'm about 15 minutes from Woodard right now. And it is just starting to get a little bouncy, just that afternoon thermally fun that is flying over the high desert and the low plains. So anyway, should be on the ground in about 15 minutes, and we'll check out Woodard, get some gas, and head on to Dalhart. Alright, so I finally stopped over to Albuquerque Center, so we've got roughly 33 minutes left in flight. Doing actually pretty good. We were going a little slower, now I got a little tailwind, so now I'm making right at 98 knots ground speed. So hopefully be down in Dalhart here in just about half an hour. And that'll wrap up my day today. So yeah, let's keep moving.
Alright, so I'm here in Dalhart. Day 2 of the travel portion of this is done. Time to go get a hotel tomorrow. The winds do not look good for me to fly, so I'll be hanging out here in Dalhart for Sunday, and then back on the road Monday. So anyways, I think that's where we'll leave it for tonight. I saw a relic from the past and was curious if it still worked. Let's find out. Nope, it's dead. Hold on, maybe? Nope, it's dead. I haven't seen one of those in years.